guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Canva. So all you have to do to get to it, you can, in a search engine, just type in Canva, or you can go to canva.com. So let's go ahead and click here. So once you get here, I'm already logged in, but you can just log in with your Google account. You do not have to create a new account. You just need to click sign in with Google, and your student Gmail will work fine for that. So there's tons of things you can do on Canva, and you can make some actually really attractive looking designs on here. So I think it's a great tool. So when you're on this main home page, if you look at the options that it gives you, you can do, it has different types of things you can make. I would say for class purposes, probably the best thing to start with is a flyer, because often I'm going to ask you to make things that fit onto one page, and so the flyer will meet that requirement. So I would probably click on that. So we'll go to flyer, and what you can do is you can browse the templates that they already have, or you can just start from scratch. It's totally up to you. It automatically starts you off from scratch like this. And so if I wanted to just start adding text to it, I can. So I can go over here to the side, and I can click text. And then they have like kind of, different designs and stuff that you can choose from. So let's say I want to do this one. I click on it, and then I just double click to edit the text to say what I want to say. So let's say I wanted to say is Marcy. Right, so I can edit that and let's say I don't know. Let's say I want this to be deleted. Oops, that's not what I'm going to do. I click undo if I do something on accident. There's an undo little arrow right up there at the top. And you can fix that. So let's say this would be gone. I'll click on that item, and then I'll just click the backspace and it'll delete that. So let's say, okay, there's my title, whatever. So let's say I'm going to start adding pictures. Over to the side, there's several things that I love about the image options that Canva gives you. So one is that you can add photos, right? And so they have a ton of photos that you can browse from for whatever you want. So here's some that are just on there. Or you can search for a topic that you want. So for example, I've looked up books before, right? So let's look for books. And it'll give you a bunch of pictures for books. Now some of them you have to pay for, so I don't use those. I wouldn't recommend you do either. But let's say I like this one, right? So I can add that on there, and then I can resize it to wherever I want. But the other thing that you can do on Canva is you can go and you can upload your own pictures. So over off to the side, if I want my own photos on here, I'll go to uploads. And that's and these are pictures I've uploaded before for other projects that I've made on Canva. So you can click upload an image or video. And then if I click on my device, it'll bring up my pictures here. And so I have a picture of the unicycle. Don't know why. Let's do that. So I'm going to click open, and it's going to load this picture of a unicycle that I have. I feel like I used this on a Kahoot at one point last year. But there's a picture of the unicycle, and there it is, right? So we can do that, and it saves old pictures that you've used. So these are ones I've used in the past, so I can use them again. So I can be like, oh, I want to use this again, and it'll come right back up. Okay. But the other thing that you can do on Canva is you can add elements, and I really like these. I think these are really useful. So if you click elements, this is going to give you graphic art that you can use. So there's shapes and things like that. But they also have stickers. These are kind of cool. Where you can even add animated things like that, right? So you can do stuff like that. Or if I go back to the main elements page, they just have decorative things that you can use as well. So I can be like, I'm going to add some flowers or something on there. And so I can do that. There we go, right? All kinds of things that they have on there. There's some animals, right? So that's cool. That was talking about my cats or something. So lots of things you can do, and you can even change the colors on them, which is so cool. So for instance, let's say I want my cat to be pink. I can make my cat background as well. They've got tons of backgrounds for you to choose from. So, you know, whatever you like, you can pick what you want on there. And you can add videos, you can add text, all kinds of stuff